Hello, in this section we will discover the EBS service of AWS Cloud Provider. EBS stands for Elastic Block Store. EBS is a storage associated to a EC2 instance to persist data. By default, an EBS is attached to a EC2 instance. EBS can be attached and detached from a EC2 instance. EBS is attached to a EC2 through the network. We can take a snapshot of a EBS volume. We can restore a new volume from a EBS snapshot. We can encrypt EBS volume and also encrypt a EBS snapshot with a KMS key. The term IOPS stands for input and output operation per second. In this diagram, we can see that we have here the EC2 instance attached to a EBS volume through the network. We have two major types of EBS volume: SSD volume type and HDD volume type. For SSD, this type of volume is for application that need fast read and write operation and where the dominant attribute is IOPS. And for this category, in the SSD volume type, we have two major categories. We have general purpose SSD and the provisioned IOPS SSD. For example, we choose the provisioning IOPS SSD for critical data and where the IOPS is greater than 16,000. For example, the use case, a database. If the IOPS is less than 15,000, we choose the general purpose. For the HDD, it is optimized for applications that need large streaming workload, and the dominant attribute is throughput. For example, we choose ST1 for big data application and data warehouse, and when you have a frequent access. We choose SC1 for applications that have infrequent access, for example, archive data.